amending subdivision. So we need to work as a team. To sort out perhaps how do you present this regulation work? Now, we need to talk about what it's about. Can you put the problem back on? So it's really easy to use. These are right there. You know, because that's part of the magical part of it. You're going to carry it yourself. Naturally, it's really easy to use. I think that's to be worn by people on the platform. And basically they're going to take them, they're going to tie them on their waist, they're going to wear them on their hair, they're going to tie them on their scarves, or they're going to tie them on their arms.
Who are watching this show they will be delighted to see Marty Neck putting his best foot forward and really having a great time.